Hi everyone, it's Olivia here. Our channel has just reached 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me every week. I love you all.
To celebrate this milestone, I want to share a story about kindness in this busy world. Traffic again. I hate mornings. The city is so loud and annoying today.
Oh, come on, Sophia. Maybe the city is just waking up too. It feels fresh.
Oh no, poor boy. Let's help him.
Seriously, Olivia, it's not our problem. Here you go. Be careful next time.
Thank you so much, miss.
You waste so much time for strangers.
Time isn't wasted when used for kindness.
After you, sir.
Thank you, young lady.
You are very kind.
Good morning. How are you today? One cappuccino with no sugar, please.
I'm good now. Thank you for asking. That will be $5, please.
You even talk to strangers now? Smiling doesn't fix a bad day, you know? It feels good to smile, Sophia. You should try it. It might change your perspective.
You're too soft. People will take advantage of you in this city. It's a jungle.
Bless you. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, thank you. How very thoughtful of you.
This is crazy. You'll try to save the whole city at this rate, won't you?
I don't want to save the city. I just believe helping makes me a better person.
Let me help you with that. Oh, thank you. I thought I was stuck.
Let's focus on the meeting. We can still make this a great day.
See? Even the boss is miserable.
Kindness doesn't pay the bills here.
You look tired, Sophia. Want some tea?
I just want this day to end.
We're late. My boss will scream at me if we don't get there on time. Oh no. My phone, my wallet, everything is a mess. Just my luck.
Don't worry, I've got it. Is your phone screen okay? It looks fine.
It looks fine. Thank you. I didn't even ask for help. Why did you stop?
Kindness doesn't wait for permission. Have a better day, ladies.
That was strange. Why would a stranger help me for no reason?
Because he saw you needed help. That's what I've been trying to tell you.
I used to think everyone just looked out for themselves. Like it was a rule.
It's a lonely rule to live by. Helping others changes the feeling inside you.
You always seem so calm, Olivia. I wish I could feel like that.
You can start right now. Small things matter. Go ahead, Sophia.
Here, let me get that for you.
Thank you, miss. Very kind.
That. Nu vet Emran safe pan felt different. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be.
See? You give a little, but you receive so much more in return.
I have a lot of emails, but I'm gonna try to stay calm. Need a hand? I've fixed this one before.
Oh, thanks, Sophia. I see a new light in her. It's small,
but it's there. Change is happening.
Not all at once, but slowly, in the middle of an ordinary day.
How is your daughter doing at school?
She's doing great, thanks for asking.
Have a good evening, officer.
You too, ma'am. Have a safe trip home.
The sun is so beautiful today. Everything feels a bit slower now. I'm exhausted, but it's a good kind of tired. Does that make sense?
Perfectly. It's the feeling of a day well spent, with an open heart.
Oh no! My ticket! I must have lost it! I can't get home! Wait. Don't worry. I have an extra pass. Please, take it.
You have no idea how much this means. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You did what you wanted to do, not what you had to do. That's better.
It felt strange, but in a very good way. My heart feels lighter. That's your heart remembering what it was made for. To give and receive.
You sound like a poet, Olivia.
Maybe kindness is the best kind of poetry.
No one is ever too late to be kind. It only takes one good deed.
Thank you for not giving up on people like me. I'll try again tomorrow.
Kindness stays. It moves from one person to another, like light in the dark. If this story made you smile, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Tell me in the comments, what's one kind thing you did today? I'll read them. Let's review some words. Fresh. The air smells fresh at 7 a.m. Repeat after me.
Fresh. Make sure the sh sound is soft. The air is fresh. Your turn.
Hurry. People hurry down the street. It means to move very quickly.
Traffic again. I hate mornings.
Focus on the word hurry in this context.
I said, oh, come on. We use this to encourage someone to be more positive. Colleague. A colleague is someone you work with. Sophia is my colleague. Colleague. The G at the end is silent but sharp. Colleague. Great. Sharp eyes. It means someone is very observant or looks very professional. Scattered. The papers were scattered everywhere. It means spread out in many directions. Sophia said, "It's not our problem." This is a common way to show indifference. Stranger. A person you do not know. Don't be afraid to be kind to a stranger. 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 It's a bit tricky, but you can do it. Stranger. Waste. To use time or money in a way that is not useful. Don't waste your light. Sophia said, kindness doesn't pay my bills. She thinks money is more important than help.
Cappuccino. A popular Italian coffee. I like mine with no sugar.
Cap, Pew, C, I, no. Say it with me. Cappuccino. Perfect. This is the most basic yet powerful English greeting. How are you today? And barista, the person who makes and serves coffee in a cafe.
smiling doesn't fix my day.
Sophia is very cynical here. Cynical.
Too soft. Sophia thinks Olivia is too kind or weak. But being soft is a strength.
Take advantage of someone. To use someone's kindness for your own benefit.
Bless you. We say this when someone sneezes. It's a very polite habit. At this rate, it means if things continue to happen at this speed. Random people. People chosen without a specific plan. Like people on the street.
Don't push it. This means don't try too hard. Or don't test my patience.
Staring. To look at someone or something for a long time. It can be rude. I don't get it. A casual way to say, I don't understand. Repeat, I don't get it.
Through you. To see something by using someone as an example. Trust. To believe that someone is good and honest. Sophia doesn't trust easily.
Milestone. An important event in the development of something. Like our subscribers.
Simple, not complicated. Kindness is often very simple.
Gentle, calm, and kind. A gentle story makes you feel warm.
Real-life expressions. Phrases people actually use when they talk every day. Noise. Loud or unpleasant sounds. The city is full of noise.
Scream. To cry out loudly.
Sophia is afraid her boss will scream at her. Shortcut. A quicker way to get somewhere. Let's take the shortcut. Unbelievable. Unbelievable when something is very surprising or annoying. Permission. To allow someone to do something. Kindness doesn't need it.
Permission. The sass shun sounds like shun. Permission. Good.
A waste of time. Something that is not worth the time you spend on it. Look out for themselves. To only care about your own interests.
Protect. To keep someone safe from harm. Sophia's father tried to protect her. Calm. Peaceful and quiet. Repeat after me. I feel calm.
Angry. A strong feeling of being upset. Everyone gets angry sometimes. Stop before I hurt someone. To control your emotions before acting. Inside you. Your feelings and thoughts are inside you. Change. To become different. Kindness can change your heart. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Just one small act. Receive. To get something that is given to you. Giving is receiving. Receive. Remember, I before E, except after C. Receive. Ordinary day. A normal day with nothing special. But you can make it special. Hold it tight. To hold something very strongly so you don't drop it. Poet. A person who writes poems. Sophia thinks I'm a poet. Poetry. Poems in general. Kindness is a beautiful kind of poetry. Starving. Very hungry. I'm starving. Let's get food. Wallet. A small folding case for carrying money and credit cards.
My wallet is gone. It means it is lost or stolen. It's not there.
Pay you back. To return money that you borrowed. No need. You don't have to do it. It's not necessary. You have no idea. Hero. Someone who does something brave or good. Like Sophia.
That's the secret. You make the world a little softer.
Softer. More gentle and less harsh. Kindness makes the world softer.
Giving up on someone. To stop hoping that someone will improve.
Good deed. A helpful or kind act. One good deed can start a change. Perfect, without any flaws. None of us are perfect, and that's okay. Kindness stays. It remains. It doesn't go away easily. We use will for the future. She will understand. Repeat, she will understand. I used to think. This describes a past habit that is not true now. Let's review. Fresh air, not our problem. Waste of time, take advantage. Payback, no need. Start small, good deed. Great job! You are doing so well, learning English and being kind at the same time. I challenge you. Do one kind thing today and use one new English word. Our 20,000 subscribers are the kindest people on YouTube. I mean it. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who needs kindness. Subscribe to Olivia Daily English for more stories and lessons every week. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next story. Goodbye.